Hey guys, welcome to the Hashtag Coder YouTube channel. In the previous video, we have seen that what is HTML. Now in this video, we will see the structure of HTML. So first of all, we will create a new file which is index.html. So I am going to create a new file and I will save it as index.html. .html is the extension for HTML file. So you can see I have created a new file which is index.html. So now we will create the structure of HTML. So this is the structure of HTML. Actually we will increase the screen size because in small size we can't see the structure properly. So this is the structure of HTML. Now here you can see that doctype HTML. Doctype is the document type and HTML is the HTML5 version. Now we will just align it properly. Okay. HTML starts with HTML tag and ends with /HTML tag. In between the HTML tag there are two main sections, head section and body section. Head section is the logical area of the HTML where scripts and links are added, and body section is for displaying the content on the web page. In the head section there is a title tag. So we will try the content in the title tag. Suppose I write the HTML tutorial. Now we will first save it. Okay. Now we will open this file with browser. Actually I use Chrome browser. You can use any browser which you preferred. So I will open it with Chrome browser. Okay. Now you can see in the tab it is showing the title content, the HTML tutorial. Now to display the content on the web page we have to write the content within the body section. So we will write some content within the body section. To write the content in the body section we use tags. So I am going to use p tag. P tag is used for paragraph. So I just write a simple paragraph to display on the web page. So this is the p tag. I am writing some content. This is HTML tutorial by hashtag coder. Actually I am writing only single line paragraph. So now we will save it and just open it with browser. Now you can see the content within the body section is displaying on the web page. This is the HTML tutorial by hashtag coder channel. I have write this content within the body section using the p tag. So thank you guys for watching this video. In the next video we will see some heading tags and some paragraph tags. So thank you so much and keep watching this channel hashtag coder.